Welcome back again to JN Electric YouTube channel. Now we will explain how to repair an Epson printer motherboard. The damage that often occurs is on the mainboard directed to the F1 fuse. Now we will try to prove it by using a digital ohmmeter. But before, let's first test the continuity of this measuring tool. See, after testing, the component F1 fuse show a very large value.
Okay.
And it is certain that the F1 fuse is blown after being tested several times. To solve it, I have a way. By connecting a broken fuse, by connecting with a small wire. Lot of USB cable, your cable only needs one wire.
Udah.
Coat it with copper fiber first to make soldering on the mainboard easier. So that everything is evenly coated. The fuse to be soldered should be preheated. Now install the linked cable to the F1 fuse pins. Make sure solder used has sufficient heat. Do the same work on the next fuse pin.
Mati lagi.
Solder tin size must be small so that soldering results do not overflow everywhere. Use the tweezer small, make the job easier. Continuity test between the two fuse pins. The result is okay. Resistance must be 0. Let's take a closer look at this motherboard. Do not forget to like, tell your friend, and if you like these simple contents, and thanks for watching.